Hey guys, so welcome back. I cannot believe that it is actually week 6 of our henna series. So this is our final week and we are going to be doing our final painting this week. And actually, this one is a great one for you guys to just see the process of art, because I had a design in mind that I started painting, and then halfway through I actually decided that I wanted to do something different, and that is the great thing about paint. You can literally just paint over it. So go ahead and get your canvas and we're gonna get started. I am gonna let you guys know that the eventual end background of this painting is gonna be drawing in different colors at varying widths and just filling in the background. But what you see right now on my video, and I'm gonna speed it up because this isn't what I want you guys to do, but I do want you to see the process of doing something and then realizing that's not the direction you want to go in and then completely changing it up, which is totally fine to do. So what I was doing right here is I thought I would do a painting where we kind of layered henna images in different areas of the canvas, and then I decided I really didn't like that. But what I did like was the gradient I was creating with these colors. So where I want you guys to start is over here. So I am now filling in this corner. I've divided my canvas up into different sections. Each is gonna be a different color. And I'm gonna start in the corner with yellow, and I'm gonna go ahead and paint that canvas part yellow. And then I'm gonna move into orange, and to blend in the colors at the border, if you dip your paintbrush in a little bit of water and just kind of go over that borderline with a wet paintbrush, it helps kind of smear the colors together and gives it a better transition. And I'm gonna fill it in with orange, and then after orange, move on to purple. And look, paint covers everything right up, so that's so great. And then after purple, I will be moving on to pink. And after pink, we're gonna move on to blue. So I know I'm talking a little bit fast right now, so feel free to pause this video and take your time to do this. I just wanted to explain to you guys what was going on in the video and what to expect for where you want to go. So yeah, what we want to do is divide this canvas up into sections, fill each section with a different color. You do not have to use the colors that I used, so feel free if you want to do a green gradient and go from a white to a dark green. That would look super cute. You can do that with any color. If you want to make those areas black and white and just alternate them, that would look super cute. Pick your favorite colors, and yeah, just divide your canvas up into pieces and fill it in. After I'm done filling it in, you guys can see what I'm going to do is kind of do the part where I dip my paintbrush in water, get a little bit of paint, and go over the borders just to try to create a cleaner transition between my colors. But once you are done painting your entire canvas, we are going to pause this video because you need to wait for the canvas to dry. Go do something for 15 minutes, have fun, and then come back and we'll continue on with our painting. Okay guys, so welcome back. My painting is dry, as you can see. So I like the way it looks. And what I'm going to be doing now is adding a mishmash of either floral designs, like the traditional henna designs we learned in the first 6-week course, along with some geometric shapes. So lines, triangles, squares that we have been working on in this 6-week course. So I thought it'd be really fun to combine the two styles and techniques we've learned into one painting. And so what I'm doing is I'm drawing a paisley, and I'm gonna try to alternate. So I'm gonna draw one floral design and then draw one geometric design. So from my paisley, I am actually going to draw a triangle. And the goal here is you want a little bit of each design to overlap. So do you see how my triangle covers a part of my paisley, but not all of it? So that's kind of the goal. You want to build each design off the last one you made. So on the side of my triangle now, what I'm doing is drawing that flower, which you guys have had a lot of practice drawing, but I can't exaggerate how much you guys just need to practice these designs in order to get comfortable doing them regularly. And so then from my flower, I'm going to draw a square. So I'm going to let you guys follow along with the video, and do not feel like you have to draw the exact same designs as me. If you want to change up what is on the video or what is on your painting, feel free to do that. You don't have to stick to paisleys, flowers, and like triangles and squares. That's just what I'm doing for this painting. You can do that sawtooth design plus like vines, or really anything you want. So feel free to make this painting your own. And feel free to, as always, pause the video if it's going too fast for you. So if you feel like you need to slow down and take more time to do each of these, pause the video after you see what I do, and then paint your canvas, and then come back and play it to move on. So I'm gonna let you guys have fun with this, and I will come back at the end. Alright guys, so I'm pretty much done filling out this canvas, right? I just have a little bit left up top near the yellow part with my paisley, and I'm just going to fill it in with lines. But this painting feels a little empty to me, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and add little flowers in empty spaces I see, and double up on some lines that I feel like have some space next to them. Alright, and that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys had fun with this painting, and I definitely hope that you guys have gotten confident enough to change the designs that I'm making to match your personality more, because that's really where I want you guys to get, is to explore different art styles and explore different art forms and just enjoy what you're doing and be creative. So I hope you guys had fun. This does actually bring us to the end of our 6-week henna course. I had so much fun being able to do a second one of these with you guys, and I hope you had as much fun as I did, and I hope you learned a few new styles and techniques. And I do urge you guys to keep practicing. So the best way to get good at this is just to practice, 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 and definitely be kind to yourself and realize that it's a process. So if your painting isn't exactly what you envisioned, that doesn't mean it's bad, it just means it's different. So definitely keep on having fun with this, and I hope you guys had fun with my 6-week course. If you didn't get a chance to do the first 6-week course, that would be a really fun thing you guys could go back and do, where we focus on floral henna designs. But yeah, I hope you guys had fun, and I had so much fun, and thank you for doing this with me. Bye guys!